Welcome back to Global Megabuilds. The Spotify Camp Nou is changing fast. And today, we're bringing you a close look at the progress that's turning this stadium into a modern football icon. From massive parking structures to rising VIP rings, from the unique diamond corners to the shining glass facade, every part of the project is moving forward. And with big changes at the north goal and lateral sides, the transformation is impossible to miss. Each update shows just how close this stadium is to its final form, and today's progress might be the most impressive yet. Let's dive in. The parking area has seen major development in recent weeks. Large prefabricated concrete panels have already been put into place, giving the structure its solid outline. Workers are busy arranging steel reinforcements and formwork panels, preparing for the next big concrete pours. This space will not only function as an underground parking facility, but also as a strong support for the stadium's lower levels. Once finished, it will provide both stability to the entire building and convenience for fans arriving on match days. The scale of the work here makes it one of the most crucial sections in the whole project. In the corners, the diamond-shaped structures are becoming more visible. Some have already been fully concreted and the formwork has been removed, while others are still being prepared for pouring. These unique diamonds are essential for both design and stability. The first VIP ring is almost finished, while construction on the second ring is moving at great speed. Internal separation walls are being built, creating exclusive areas for lounges, hospitality zones, and premium seating. Since these VIP seats were already sold in advance, the construction team is giving this area maximum priority to make sure it's ready on time. The third tier is one of the busiest and most complex areas of the site. Everywhere you look, there are scaffolds, formwork panels, and prefabricated concrete blocks being lifted into place. Workers are reinforcing pillars, pouring concrete, and aligning massive sections of the stands. This area looks extremely dense with activity because it combines both vertical and horizontal construction at the same time. Although it is slower than other parts, every week the progress is noticeable, and it's the third tier that will eventually give Camp Nou its huge seating capacity and iconic shape. On the Tribune side, the installation of large glass panels is continuing steadily. These shiny panels transform the appearance of the stadium, making it look more modern and complete. Every time a new section of glass is added, the stadium feels closer to its final form. The mix of concrete and glass is what will give the new Camp Nou its sleek and elegant design. At the north goal, heavy work is underway. Reinforcements and formwork are being prepared for new pours, and prefabricated blocks are being positioned into place. This section will mirror the progress of the south side and is crucial to closing the overall ring of the stadium. Once this area starts rising, the shape of the stadium will look much more balanced and unified. On the lateral side, the focus is on mobility hubs, staircases, and access points. Workers are putting in separation walls and emergency exits, making sure this side of the stadium will handle the movement of thousands of fans on match days. It may not look as impressive as the big structural work, but it's essential for safety and crowd management. And that's it for today's walk around the Spotify Camp Nou. As we've seen, the work is moving forward strongly in every area, and the stadium is looking more complete each week. The progress is clear, the pace is solid, and everything is heading in the right direction. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next update. Stay tuned, because every week the transformation gets even more exciting.